GRT is one of the few AI coins that I believe is going to give us more than a 10x in this bull market. And on today's video, I will be giving you the reasons as to why I believe we can see more than a 10x, and above all discuss my short-term price prediction analysis, giving you the significant key areas of support that you need to continue holding above. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the daily chart, I believe that we got our bear market lows last year and started an aggressive bounce to the upside in a move that peaked above the 0.4947, giving us the high for this Elliot wave count 1. And after we peaked in that wave 1, we started a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, whose minimum target areas I have marked on the chart using this blue target area, an area that I came up with using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the bear market lows to the highs that we made this year in March, giving me a minimum pullback target area for the second wave between the fib level 0.5 and the 7.8, and that is between the 0.287 and the 0.1668, an area that we have not fully maximized, and there are high chances that we now have a low in place for the second wave. And in the next coming weeks, we are going to see the start of an impulsive Elliot wave count 3, then expect a wave 4 and then a wave 5, possibly taking us back above the dollar mark. And the minimum target areas for the third wave can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of the wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 0.792. Then we can expect a wave 4 and then the wave 5, possibly taking us back above the $1.5, and that means that buying at the current prices can easily give you more than a 10x in this bull market. And for that Elliot wave structure to play out, we also need to see GRT holding above a very significant area on the Fibonacci's, and that is the fib level 0.88. So using the fibs, we need to continue holding above the 0.1268. As long as that area continues to hold, there's a chance that that Elliot wave structure is going to play out. Getting to the 4-hour chart to discuss the short-term price prediction analysis, I believe that we got a low on the 4th of November and started an impulse to the upside in a move that peaked in this wave 1 above the 0.2112. Then we started a corrective pullback in an Elliot wave count 2 into the minimum pullback target areas marked on the charts using this red target area, an area that gave us a reaction to the upside in what I now believe is an Elliot wave count 3 that is playing out, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of the wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the $0.299. And we can also say that this fib ratio 1:1 can also give us the high for the wave 3, and that perfectly lies above the 0.2483, an area that we have not fully maximized. So there are chances that this could be the high for the wave 3, and this pullback over here is a pullback in a wave 4, and in the next coming hours we can see another bounce in an Elliot wave count 5. So that is all I'm expecting on the short term and also on the long term, and let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.